You know the biggest crime in portrait drawing? It's not skipping the straight edge or forgetting to sharpen your pencil. It's misplaced feature. One tiny eyebrow in the wrong spot and the whole face is guilty. Seriously, a misplaced nose can turn a masterpiece into a wanted posture. We have already built the Loomis head, even mapped the skull underneath. That was the basic anatomy lesson. But now, the features are our suspects. They are hiding in plain sight and we need to drag them out for questioning. And today, we are solving the case with one key measurement trick and 3 clues. Clue 1. The ear line, the silent witness. Start by drawing your Loomis head with all the guidelines. We are setting up the scene, people. Split the head horizontally into 3 parts. Half of the top section, that's the space above the hairline. That's the forehead reserved, where the big thinkers store their thoughts. The ear, they belong on the second horizontal band. They are surprisingly punctual. Mark them carefully, they always know where to sit. If an ear is too high or too low, it's a fugitive. Lasso it back into its zone. Clue 2. Eyes and nose, the main suspects. Time for the main suspects. They always travel together. First, divide the head vertically into 3 equal columns. Then, split it horizontally in half. This is your eye line. This line is the exact center of the face. Vertically speaking, it's the equator, the 0 point, or hair-be eyeball map. Where the eye line crosses the vertical thirds, that's where the eyeball go. Next, divide each vertical section into half to locate the edge of the eyeball. The nose is placed right in the center of the face. Its width matches the distance between the eyes. This is the most critical ID check. Perfectly aligned every time. If the nose is too wide or too narrow, you have the case of mistaken identity on your hands. These intersections give you the exact position, no guesswork, no surprises. They are cornered. Clue 3. The mouth, the final confession. Now, the lower third of the face is where the mouth lives. Divide this area mentally into 3 equal bands. The first band marks the upper lip, sitting right under the nose. The second band gives you the lower lip, right in the middle. And the third band, that's your chin's end point, locking the jaw down. No guesswork, no parole. The mouth is confined. With these measurements, it lands exactly where it should. And just like that, case closed. Pause the frame, screenshot the grid, and keep it handy. Treat this like your CSI kit for every portrait.